Yesterday's tradition is today's trending innovation to meet the modern demands. Traditions are about the past and innovation is about the future. We have always seen such concrete pipes in construction sites, and we have also seen homeless people using such unused concrete pipes for their stay. This tradition is coming up with the innovation as an affordable micro-housing solution to meet the modern demands. Hi, this is Rajiv Gowda from Town Insider. Today I have come up with the concept of tube house or pipe house and the use of this concept for glamping. Imagine a concrete sewage pipe converting into a 1 BHK house with a modern touch which facilitates cooking, bathing, sleeping and other needs. Originally, the concept of tube housing was started in Hong Kong, aiming to provide temporary affordable housing for young people, and now it is being used across the globe in different forms and different purposes. These consist of sections of concrete water pipes of around 8 meter diameter, offering what is called tube house or pipe house of approximately 100 square feet. A young 23-year-old engineering graduate from Telangana, Perala Manasa, is now trending in India for designing and introducing this pipe house concept with a modern touch in India, and this is how her innovation of pipe house looks like. Now let us have a look at the advantages of having this pipe house model. If you are looking in terms of pricing for this design, it is expected to be around 3.5 lakh to 5 lakh, including the interior and other fittings. These are OPOD models which can be constructed, shifted and installed wherever you want. These are durable for all weather. These pipe models have edge over other tiny housing concepts like container homes, bamboo shelter, etc. when it comes to durability. These are ready-made models and can be installed and made ready within 10-15 days. Scientifically, circular designs are more energy efficient because of the less surface area coming into contact with outside weather. That's the reason you feel cool inside a pipe structure than a 4-wall structure. It occupies minimal space to install, and these can be stacked on top of each other to have more units within limited space. India being a populated country where approximately 800 billion people live below poverty line, and their condition now is worsened because of the pandemic, with many of them losing their job and turning homeless. This pipe house model is expected to give some comfort and provide affordable shelters for the needy. One of the elevated form of tube house concept is capsule hotel concept, which is very famous in Japan, and in India also capsule hotel concept is already introduced in Mumbai. Though these tube house or pipe housing models are originally designed to offer micro housing or affordable housing needs, these can also be used for other commercial accommodation purposes, and especially it looks to be promising and best suitable for your glamping site. This is how you can use these pipe house or tube house models for your glamping site. This video was about the overview of tube house or pipe house concept. I'll be coming back with more videos connected to glamping. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and hit bell icon. Please share this video with your friends and leave your feedback at comment section. Thank you for watching. This is Rajiv Gowda from Town Insider.